I stopped pumping probably about 2 months, maybe a little bit longer. I have not pumped in a little bit. I did not think I was gonna have to pump at all, but I don't have a stash anymore. I do have a little bit of freeze-dried breast milk, but I like to keep that for when I am traveling. I'm gonna see if we can even get anything. And a little uncomfortable, but I have not pumped because I was kind of like, but she won't take whole milk. So I'm hoping that I can maybe have a little bit to like integrate it and maybe see if she'll take it. Not that she needs to, because I do plan on breastfeeding until she weans herself off, but I still would like to have another option, or at least have small stash, because I don't have any and I could not take it when we moved. I've been an overproducer for so long, and it took a long time to try to get my like supply to just level out. And even now, like, there are days where I'm like, I should pump, but I just can't express. So we'll see what we get.
I'm also not wearing a nursing bra, so we're holding them up.
I made it 10 minutes before she woke up. You want to pump or do something, they wake up. So my goal is to exclusively breastfeed for 2 years. That's my goal. Unless obviously she weans herself, which my toddler did at 16 months. I know I don't have to give her whole milk. I know that I can exclusively breastfeed, but at the same time, it does get a little bit difficult when I do want to go out and there's no other option, especially because I don't have a stash anymore. So I'm kind of debating if I should start adding like a pump in my like 1 pump a day, just to like slowly build something up, just to have something, especially if she won't take whole milk. Obviously, if I can give her breast milk, I'll give her breast milk. I prefer to do that. Totally fine, and I don't think there's any judgment on that. Choose to do whatever you want. But I'm like, do I really want to start pumping again? But if I do it, I'm literally only going to do it like once a day for like 10 minutes, and whatever I get, I get. So let's see what I get. This is my right side. It's going to be one of those things. This is my right side, and it's saying 1. So I'm going to guess maybe like 1.5, maybe? It's been so long since I've done this. Okay. I'm sitting at a little bit over 1. This feels so weird. That was, yeah, about 1.5. When I do feel uncomfortable and I hand express, I get like a decent amount. So I just don't feel like pumping. This feels so weird to be doing this again. My also fear though is if I do start pumping is to get mastitis again. So I want to make sure that I'm not doing it to build an oversupply, because I've been there. I don't want that. I don't want to be hooked up to a pump on top of exclusively breastfeeding all the time. I think I just want to have enough where I can just keep it in the fridge if needed. And then slowly, like I'm going to slowly probably add it to whole milk and see how she'll take it. But I know that people say to do like a 75-25 ratio and slowly build your way down. I definitely don't have 75% of that. About 1.5 ounces into the fridge she goes. This feels so weird, guys. If you've been around, you know.